Another chord that is used from time to time is the diminished chord. Diminished chords are basically stacked minor thirds. So minor third. And it sounds like. And the nice thing about diminished chords is that all I have to do is take this shape up and I slide it up to the next three and I have the exact same chord. It's taking the notes and it's reshuffling them and it's the exact same chord. Here I am again. This is the exact same chord as that is. These are all the same chords. If you want to play it on this string, this is an F sharp diminished, but now I have to skip. I have to skip a fret because it's all tucked within 2 frets here. I'm playing these 3. I'm not playing that, and I'm playing that right there. And then if I want to start the diminished chord up here, if it's E diminished, that's the shape. And again, because it's tucked into 2 frets, I have to skip a fret. These are all the same chords. So those are diminished chords. They're used a lot in passing. So that's a diminished chord right there. Another chord that's important to know about is the augmented chords. What's just the opposite of diminished chords, which are stacked minor thirds. Augmented chords are stacked major thirds. And what you'll often hear is, if you've ever heard of somebody refer to a whole tone scale, which is no half steps. It's all whole steps and gets you all the way back up the octave. And that's played over an augmented chord. So an augmented chord sounds like this. And again, it's just because it's even, because it's just like the diminished chord, which is stacked minor thirds, it's symmetrical and you can repeat the chord over and over again. It just inverts itself. So if I skip a fret, these are all the exact same chords. If I'm playing it on this, starting on the lowest string, because it fits into 4 frets, I don't have to skip a fret. If I'm playing it down here, it looks like this. I have to skip a fret here because it's fit into 3, so I have to skip over. Augmented chords are used a lot in passing. So this would be, there's something called a line cliche. I'm going to play a line cliche in C. James Bond.